In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO title and meta description in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter these fields for pages, blog posts, and products, and how to set helpful defaults for your whole site. First, a quick refresher on what these are and why they matter. Your SEO title, also called the meta title, is the headline that appears in search results and in the browser tab. The meta description is the short summary beneath that headline in search results. Think of the title as your page's headline and the description as your elevator pitch to encourage clicks. Aim for a clear, natural title that reflects the page's main topic and a concise description that highlights value. As a tip, keeping titles around 50 to 60 characters and descriptions around 150 to 160 characters helps prevent them from being cut off. Let's start with a regular page. From your Squarespace dashboard, open Pages. Hover over the page you want to optimize and click the gear icon to open its settings. Head to the SEO tab. In the SEO title field, type the exact title you want search engines to display. In the SEO description field, write a short, compelling summary of what users will find on the page. When you're done, click Save. This overrides the automatic title and description Squarespace would otherwise generate, giving you full control over how your page appears in search. Next, let's adjust a blog post. Go back to Pages and open your blog. You can click into blog content or open a specific post. Hover over the post title, then click Settings or select the three dots and choose SEO. Add your SEO title and SEO description and save your changes. It helps to write descriptions that hint at the post's key takeaway and invite the reader to learn more. Now for a product. Open Commerce and then Products. Select the product you want to edit, scroll to the SEO and URL section, and enter your SEO title and SEO description. Click Apply or Save. For products, include the product name and a defining feature or benefit, and avoid repeating the same title across multiple items. Finally, set site-wide defaults. Go to Settings, then Marketing, then SEO. Edit your site title and site description. These act as backups when a specific page or post doesn't have its own SEO fields filled out, and they help search engines understand your overall brand. Remember, changes can take time to appear in search results, and search engines may rewrite snippets. Keep your titles unique, your descriptions helpful, and update them as your content evolves.